What is the largest machine humanity has ever built? Is it a giant excavator capable of moving entire mountains? A massive ship floating in the middle of the ocean? Or could it be something hidden deep beneath the Earth's surface? Throughout history, engineers have pushed the limits of what seemed possible, creating machines so enormous that they make buildings, trucks, and even airplanes look tiny. Some weigh more than 14,000 tons, others stretch for hundreds of meters. One of them even extends an incredible 27 kilometers underground. These incredible machines weren't built simply to break records. They were designed to solve some of the world's biggest challenges and accomplish tasks that once seemed impossible. From mining valuable resources and launching rockets into space to uncovering the secrets of the universe itself, these engineering marvels continue to amaze us. In today's video, we'll explore 7 of the largest machines ever built. We'll discover what they do, how they work, and why bigger sometimes really is better. Let's begin. 7. NASA Crawler Transporter. Before a rocket can reach space, it must first reach the launch pad. That's the job of the NASA Crawler Transporter. Built in the 1960s for the Apollo moon missions, this incredible machine has been carrying some of the world's largest rockets for more than half a century. Weighing around 2,700 tons, the Crawler Transporter is one of the heaviest tracked vehicles ever built. Despite its enormous size, it travels at only about 2 kilometers per hour when fully loaded. Every movement is carefully controlled to keep its precious cargo perfectly stable. Its giant tracks distribute the massive weight evenly across the ground, allowing it to carry rockets weighing more than 8,000 tons. The machine is powered by powerful diesel engines that generate electricity for its massive drive system. From the legendary Saturn V rocket that carried astronauts to the moon to today's space launch system, this engineering giant has played a vital role in some of humanity's greatest achievements. Without the NASA Crawler Transporter, many historic space missions would never have left Earth. 6. Big Muskie. Built in 1969, Big Muskie was one of the most extraordinary mining machines ever created. It was designed to remove massive amounts of earth covering valuable coal deposits in Ohio, USA at the time. Nothing else came close to its incredible size. Its giant bucket could hold more than 300 tons of earth in a single scoop. The boom stretched over 90 meters, making the machine taller than many buildings. Because it weighed nearly 13,000 tons, ordinary wheels couldn't support it. Instead, Big Muskie moved using 2 enormous hydraulic walking feet. Every step took several minutes, but each movement carried this steel giant safely across the mining site. Watching it walk was unlike anything ever seen in heavy industry. After more than 20 years of operation, Big Muskie was retired in 1991. Most of the machine was eventually scrapped, but its gigantic bucket still remains on display today as a reminder of one of the largest mining machines ever built. 5. Bertha. Building a highway beneath a busy city is one of engineering's greatest challenges. To make it possible, engineers built Bertha, one of the largest tunnel boring machines ever created. Named after Seattle's first female mayor, this giant machine was designed to dig deep beneath the city without disrupting life above. Bertha's cutting head measured nearly 18 meters in diameter, making it wide enough to create a tunnel large enough for multiple lanes of traffic. As it carved through solid rock and soil, the machine also installed massive concrete segments behind it, creating a finished tunnel as it moved forward. The project wasn't easy. Mechanical failures forced Bertha to stop for months while engineers repaired the machine underground. Despite these setbacks, it eventually completed the tunnel after years of careful work, proving the incredible capabilities of modern engineering. Today, Bertha remains one of the most famous tunnel boring machines ever built, demonstrating how humans can construct enormous infrastructure projects beneath cities while keeping everyday life moving above. 4. Bagger 288. At first glance, Bagger 288 doesn't look like an excavator. It looks like a giant moving factory. Built in Germany in 1978, this enormous bucket wheel excavator was designed to remove the thick layers of earth covering valuable lignite coal deposits. Its incredible size allows it to work continuously, day and night. Standing nearly 100 meters tall and stretching more than 220 meters in length, Bagger 288 weighs over 13,000 tons. Its giant rotating wheel is fitted with dozens of buckets that continuously scoop up earth and dump it onto conveyor belts. Every day, it can move hundreds of thousands of cubic meters of material. Despite its unbelievable size, the machine moves slowly on 12 massive crawler tracks. It consumes huge amounts of electricity, yet only a small crew is needed to monitor its operation. Every movement is carefully controlled to keep this engineering giant running safely and efficiently. Even after decades of operation, Bagger 288 remains one of the most impressive mining machines ever built. Its enormous scale and continuous operation have earned it the nickname the Moving Factory. 3. Bagger 293. If Bagger 288 is impressive, then Bagger 293 takes everything to another level. Built in Germany in 1995, this engineering giant officially holds the title of the largest land vehicle ever built. Designed for open-pit mining, it removes enormous amounts of earth to expose valuable coal deposits hidden below. Bagger 293 stands about 96 meters tall, stretches more than 220 meters long, and weighs over 14,000 tons. Its enormous bucket wheel continuously digs into the ground, transferring huge amounts of material onto a network of conveyor belts. Every day, it can move around 240,000 cubic meters of earth. Despite its incredible size, Bagger 293 moves at a walking pace on massive crawler tracks. Modern control systems allow a surprisingly small team of operators to manage this colossal machine safely and efficiently. Watching it work feels like watching an entire industrial complex slowly come to life. Few machines on Earth can match its scale or power. More than just a mining machine, Bagger 293 is a symbol of human engineering, proving that with enough innovation and determination, even the largest challenges can be overcome. 2. Prelude FLNG. Far from the coastline, one of the world's largest engineering projects floats on the open ocean. Prelude FLNG isn't just a ship, it's a complete floating natural gas processing facility. Built to operate in remote offshore gas fields, it eliminates the need to transport raw gas to land before processing. Measuring nearly 500 meters in length, Prelude is longer than 4 football fields placed end to end. It extracts natural gas from deep beneath the seabed, cools it into liquid form, stores it on board, and transfers it directly to transport ships. Everything happens without leaving the ocean. Designed to withstand powerful storms, massive waves, and harsh offshore conditions, Prelude represents one of the greatest achievements in modern marine engineering. Its enormous size and advanced technology allow it to operate continuously for years, making it one of the most impressive floating structures ever built. 1. Large Hadron Collider. The largest machine ever built isn't visible from the surface. Hidden beneath the border of France and Switzerland lies the Large Hadron Collider, or LHC. Unlike the giant machines we've seen so far, it wasn't built to move Earth or transport heavy loads. Instead, it was designed to answer some of the biggest questions in science. The LHC forms a circular tunnel stretching an incredible 27 kilometers underground. Inside this massive ring, powerful superconducting magnets accelerate tiny particles to nearly the speed of light before smashing them together. These collisions recreate conditions that existed just moments after the Big Bang. In 2012, experiments at the Large Hadron Collider led to the discovery of the Higgs boson, one of the most important scientific breakthroughs in modern history. Today, thousands of scientists from around the world continue using this incredible machine to explore the fundamental building blocks of the universe. Sometimes, the greatest machines are built not for power, but for knowledge. From giant excavators that reshape the Earth to floating factories and underground scientific laboratories, these incredible machines represent the very best of human engineering. They remind us that with innovation, determination, and imagination, even the impossible can become reality. As technology continues to evolve, even larger and more advanced machines may one day surpass everything we've seen today. Until then, these engineering giants remain among humanity's greatest achievements. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible engineering stories. We'll see you in the next video.